Winter foot. Not trying to go grab my flashlight. So we'll use our phone. Let's check this. Is down in the middle. Boom, shakalaka. Boom. Grab it up. Ooh, that bitch is in there, ain't it? Kinda. Put this a little bit. Boom, boom. Looking for like finger pieces. Removed old window switch is in there. You have tabs on the side. Remove them. Pull that straight up. You can't remove this whole thing, but you know, we're trying to move this. If it's easier for you, you could just remove this whole thing. Just a couple tabs. It's pretty easy. Pop that bad boy back in there. Boom. Put that connector in. Put this connector in. We're back in business, my friend. Boom. Put that back around. Let's plug these buds in first. Just running it. This, I don't know if y'all can see, but you know, I can barely see, goddammit. Boy, I can't see nothing. Come back in. Don't be scared to hit it. Yeah, alright. Get that in there. Boom, boom. Make sure everything lined up. That's in there, so we good. Boom. Turn that back on, bad boy back around. Put these little screws in. This drill is definitely overkill, so. Oh man. And just like that, folks, we're done.